You'll notice the Morris has been pushed a bit further back in the garage. This is because I had to make room for the MG, which is now at home. It was a great drive in it yesterday. I want to have another look over it quickly, just make sure everything is all right. But apart from, I think there was too much coolant in the overflow tank. I'll show you in a minute, but it made a bit of a mess. I could smell coolant about halfway home, and I'm thinking, uh-oh. But no, that went away, and it drove really, really nice. So I'll get it outside, and then I'm going to probably sort through the box of bits I got for the Morris, decide what I want, what I don't want, what I don't want. And if you're interested in any of the stuff I don't want, then by all means send us a message, and more than happily send it to you. Give you something to do in this lockdown. Right, so get the car out. So what I want to do is sort through a couple of piles of what I want and what I don't want, and we'll go from there. I'd imagine most of this probably going to need. That looks like a rather tatty glove box. We'll keep it for now because we might be able to use it as a template. That is an old cassette player. Does it have no cassette in it? Don't even know if that'll work or not. We'll keep that for now. Obviously these chrome caps we want. Spare fuel pump. I'll see if I actually end up keeping all of these. Spare brakes, yeah, always come in handy. Some headlight bowls. Spare hose. Wow, that is a rather knackered seatbelt. Ah, some sellotape that looks rather dated. To be honest, I'm not really sure. More brake shoes. There is almost an entire Morris Minor here, I think. I don't know what this does, just packing tape. But there's quite a nifty toggle switch. What have we got in this box? Wow, points, rotor. That's a valuable box. Obviously the tail lights, rather essential. They're going to look quite good on there. Headlight rings there. Oh wow, it's like a clip-on mirror. Oh mate, they're worth something. Have we got any mirrors on that at all at the moment? Oh no, nothing. Go on. Don't know. Part of me wants to sell that because I know what they're worth, but we'll see. Indicators. Oh, spare fuse box. I'm going to need that, I think. I think, to be honest, all of this I want to keep for now. But it's interesting as a washer pump. Interesting to see what we've got in here. Speedo cable. Ah, quite a nice looking mirror. It's a good nick as well. I'll nick that for the MG. More brakes. Spare starter motor, although no starter motor works. Oh, that's one of those heater valves. I saw someone the other day bought one of those for quite a lot of money. Another fuel pump. Well, this person didn't want to run out of spares. A spare cap with leads, which I wish I'd known that, because when I did try and start this, it didn't start very well. But I think we'll leave that box where it is at the moment. We've got fitting kit I just noticed in there as well. In this box, another glove box with a chrome ring. Again, not in great condition. Bonnet pull handle and what looks like some, they're not brand new seat belts, are they? No, they're not. That's webbing. They're the webbing strips for the bottom of the seat. Quite handy to know. Never rebuilt a seat before, but I know the driver's seat's collapsed, so might actually have a go at that in a bit. That looks like quite good fun. Ooh, spare headlights. Obviously the sun visor. There's a grease gun. Nice freebie grease gun. Another sun visor. Let's get rid of those. Some rubber boot for something. Another tail light. I'm kind of disappointed actually. I think, what was the other tail light? Oh no, they're two different types. Oh, that's exciting. Because I want this type on it. The one where you got the two lights. I don't want the single one because I know the single ones look good if you have trafficators and you don't put the little round lights on. But I was a bit worried when I saw somewhere down there I found a single light. Yeah, somewhere there. I was a bit worried about using the single light because I just don't think they look quite as good having the chrome light and then having the I say cheap, wrong word, but the cheaper looking lights for indicators. I know obviously proper indicators are better for driving than trafficators. You can actually see them for a start. But there's no one here. These are the lights we want. These lights look good. See, they go on there like that. But that's the wrong side. They'll go on that side like that. And they look good. So they're the lights we're going to go for. What else have we got in here then? More headlight chrome rings. Some of these are in quite good nick as well. And some of them not so much. Looks like a overrider for bumper. Probably a front one. Another rotor cap. Separate leads on that one. Another fuel pump. That even looks, it's even got the blanking covers. I wonder if that's maybe not brand new, but I suppose horn. I suppose part of you should think, when you see so many fuel pumps, you think, well, maybe this has a problem with fuel pumps, seeing as the previous owner decided to stock up on fuel pumps. And there's a window regulator. I think that's something to do with the window regulator for the window to sit on. Some random bits and pieces. Another window regulator down there. Believe it or not, another fuel pump. Right, if anyone wants, I might test these fuel pumps. I may have some fuel pumps for sale. So, oh, fuel sender. That even looks quite new. Feels quite good. Wow, that's not for sale. Just in case, I don't know if mine works. But yeah, if anyone wants a fuel pump, send us a message because I'll test them and see if I can find a couple of working ones. Another tail light. Oh, I might have some spare tail lights as well. In fact, I'm going to go out and say that actually. If anyone wants these single lights, which I now can't find because I pulled so much stuff out. Well, you saw it earlier in the video. If anyone wants those single lights, drop us a message. And yeah, well, and obviously there is also the wiring loom, which I told you about. One thing I have bought for this, now I know obviously this was supposed to be a cheap build, budget build, not spend much money on it. I bought a brake master cylinder. It does have a brake master cylinder with it. I bought one because safety. I don't really want to, don't want to risk the brakes, and it was only £48, so it's probably going to be the most expensive purchase for this entire car, apart from the interior. But yeah, I did go out and do that. So anyway, now we know what's in the boxes. Hopefully this video hasn't been too boring, and you'll hit the subscribe button, and then you'll see, well, you'll get to see me putting all of this, whatever I need, into there. See you next time.